In this video, we will see how we can enable the dark theme in Python ideally. So here I will click on the start button and then I will search for ideally and I will open up the Python ideally. By default, it will open up with the light theme, and in order to get the dark theme, we need to click on these options and then we will find configure ideally. We will click on that, and then here in this settings window, we will go to highlights, and here built-in theme is selected. Under that, we can find the ideally classic, dark and new. So if you want the dark theme, then you can click on this dark theme, and then if you click on apply and okay, then you can find the dark theme applied here. Now, apart from these built-in themes, if you want, you can create the custom themes also, but when you install the Python ideally, there will not be any custom theme available. We can create the custom themes if we want. For example, here what I have done is I have created around 3 custom themes: Gruvbox, Dark, Dark Medium and Dark Soft. Since I have added these custom themes, if I choose the custom theme option, then I can find the options to select them. For example, here I will go with the Gruvbox Dark Hard and then click on apply, and now that theme is applied here. Now by default, there will not be any custom theme in your computer. If you want them, then you have to manually add them. If you want me to make a tutorial about how to add the custom themes, then let me know in the comment section. If I already made that video, then the link will be available in the description box. You guys can check that out. So this is how we can have the dark theme in Python ideally. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.